Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the small crate blueprint in Subnautica 2. The small crate doesn't have any practical function, but it does make your base feel more lived in as a decorative item. If you enjoy building immersive bases, then it's definitely worth picking up. Before heading out, make sure you already have the heat tolerance adaptation. Bringing a tadpole is also highly recommended since you'll be diving into deeper waters. Start from your life pod and swim straight east. If you already have the tadpole pen signal unlocked, that'll make navigation much easier. Stay on course, avoid making unnecessary turns, and once you're about 620 meters from your life pod, look down toward the sea floor and descend to the tadpole pens. When you reach the entrance of the tadpole pens, face southwest and you'll spot another ruined building nearby. Swim inside and immediately to the right of the entrance, you'll find the small crate recipe data card. Interact with it to unlock the blueprint, along with a few additional decorative recipes. After that, return to your base and use your habitat builder to place the small crate, which you'll find under the furniture and decor section. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.